Hey guys, it's Patdees 72. The following footage I actually recorded back about 3 months ago. Um, it took me that long to sell the following items, but these were big ticket items that I sold, so it's okay. But I just wanted to show you that you can sometimes take a risk and buy stuff. And it turned out pretty good. So I just wanted to share this with you. Guys, get a chance, like and subscribe to our channel here. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, what a score today. Well, at least I think it's a score. I found these two pair of Boss Hugo Boss Italian T Leopold black and dark brown monk strap Italian shoes. Look at the price on those. $695, brand new in the box. I'm not going to say what I paid for them until I sell them. I'll do that in a later video. I've been doing some comps online, and brand new, I mean that's $695, but typically you can get these at about 40 or 50% off when they're on sale. So that would put that at around 300, 280 to $350. Let's look further at these shoes. I got my son here, Joshua. He's the guy that helps me out with making some of the thumbnails and doing some of the graphics. He's in school and stuff. He graduates this year. But one of the things he's been learning is graphic arts in school. So he's a big help as far as doing some of the graphic stuff for the YouTube videos. I come up with the ideas, and then I throw it on him to kind of lay it out. And a lot of times, because if you're a student with a graphic artist, they give you free software. So he's been working with that a lot. So he's helping me right now record this. We're gonna do. I really want to show you what the shoes. I'm really excited about that. I mean, I can finally say. Look at that, $695. I can say I own a $695 pair of Italian shoes. Even the boxes, they're heavy. Nice black box. I open them. I mean, look at the shoes. How they come in these special bags, right there. I mean, nice cotton bags. This is the shoe. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new. Made in Italy. These are 7.5 European size, so 8.5 American U.S. size. These are leather uppers, leather lining, leather sole. Look at the beauty of that shoe. That is a nice looking shoe. So that's the dark brown one. Put it back in its bag. I was at and the funny thing is, I've been going to Goodwill for some stuff, and people have been talking about this boutique Goodwill, and I'm like, a boutique Goodwill? So I decided to take an extra, it was about 10-15 miles out of the way, usually where I go, so I decided to take a trip up there. And when I first walked in, I was a little skeptical because the place was small. It was probably only about 10 by 30, maybe about 350, 400 square feet. They only had 2 pairs of these, but this is in a higher town, meaning the houses are more expensive and stuff. So I think what's happening is, as stuff is dropped off there, the clientele that drops off there is a higher end. Now look at that. Brand new in the box. Black, same size, 7.5 Europe, 8.5. I mean, it is a good looking shoe. Now, would I pay $695 for a shoe? No, I never have. I think the most I've ever paid for is $125 for a pair of sneakers. But I mean, these are brand new. I found some great clothing there. That's one thing with sourcing. You're always looking for places that can bring you new opportunity. Some of the stuff you get from the other places, you can tell it's some of the stuff is only going to sell for $4 or $5, but some of the stuff that I saw there today went for a little bit more money, but I think you can get more money. I'm going to do a follow-up video after I sell the shoes. These are great shoes. I'm going to get them listed on my main account, and I want to see what I can get for them. So, wish me luck. These are probably the two most expensive items I've bought. You see again, $695. So, let's see what we get for them.